Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the head unit model and firmware. This matters because features vary. Once done, enable screen mirroring or connect Android Auto/Apple CarPlay in settings, and make sure your phone's YouTube app is updated. Plug a high-quality USB cable or pair via Bluetooth if required. This stabilizes the connection. You should also set vehicle parking brake if the system blocks video while driving. Safety rules apply. Now proceed to connect the phone and open the appropriate interface on the display. With the cable connected or Bluetooth paired, select Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or the mirror option on your Grand Vitara's screen. This routes phone apps to the display. Next, grant permissions on your phone, media access, screen projection, and any prompts the head unit shows, because without permission, projection won't start. Once the interface appears, tap the apps list and open YouTube, or use voice commands to say, play YouTube. Make sure audio output is set to the car speakers so you hear sound clearly. Now finalize playback by adjusting volume on the head unit and confirming screen orientation. Choose 16:9 or default to match the video. Use voice commands or steering wheel controls for hands-free search and playback because legal safety matters. If video won't play, try these fixes. Reboot the phone, replug the USB cable, or toggle Bluetooth and projection off and on. If problems persist, check head unit firmware and phone OS updates. Update them, then retry. Most connection issues clear after updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.